Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crab stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the single crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. So the crab stitch is also known as the reverse single crochet stitch. I already have a video on the reverse single crochet stitch and I will also have that video linked down below. So you can see that I have made a swatch here. This swatch is made of just regular single crochets. And I have attached my new color at the end of this row I just made. So just like the reverse single crochet, the crab stitch, we're going to be working single crochets, but we're going to be working them backwards. That's why we're starting at the end of this row right here. You're not going to make a turning chain and we're not going to be turning our work at all. So we're going to take our work and we're just going to start making single crochets into these stitches, but we're going to be working backwards along this row. So right here into this first stitch, I'm going to make a single crochet like normal, just like that. Now I'm moving on to the next stitch. I'm going to insert my hook. I'm going to grab that yarn I'm working with, pull it through, and then make that single crochet. Same thing in the next one. Same thing in the next one. Insert my hook, grab that yarn, pull it through, make that single crochet. It's going to take some getting used to work backwards, but once you get it, it's going to become very easy. And you can see how these stitches are looking twisted on top. They're not laying like regular stitches. That's good. That's what we want. We want them to look like that. So I'm just going to continue on for the rest of my row. And that is going to be how to make the crab stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.